Hello guys, welcome back. So it's been a while, and while working with creators, I noticed many have not linked their YouTube shorts to their long form videos. And with the new features added to YouTube shorts, you can link your short videos to your long form content. So you may ask, is this necessary? Yes, this is necessary. Firstly, with YouTube shorts, you can gain more visibility and then drive the traffic to your long form videos. And secondly, with YouTube shorts, you will earn less money. For example, with 100,000 views on your YouTube shorts, you can earn about just $2, only $2. But with your long form videos, with the same amount of views, that 100,000 views, you could earn over $200. You see the difference? So with YouTube shorts, you can direct your viewers to watch your long form content, whether your latest video, related video, another short video, or even your live stream videos. So to make the best use of both worlds, when you upload a short, link it to the main video or another video that you will like viewers to watch after watching it. So this feature was made available some weeks ago, and it now makes sense to create more YouTube shorts. To link a short video to a long form content, go to Studio, click on the short video you want to link, and then on the right hand corner you will see related video. Click on that and then select the video you want to link to the short and click save. When someone views the short, instead of going to the description to look for the link to the main video, a link to the related video will be made available for them to click on. This will increase your views and revenue when viewers watch your short videos and click to watch your long form videos. Also, since links no longer works in shorts, you can share your external links like your website, affiliate links, and others in the description of your long form videos, or also pin them in the comment section to be visible to viewers. So I hope this short video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are curious to know if you are shadow banned by YouTube, please watch this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.